up? I am Meredith. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have something very exciting to share with you guys. As always, today is sponsored by the Ulike Sapphire IPL hair removal at home device. For all of those who are returning to my channel, thank you guys so much for coming on back. And for those of you who are new here, thank you guys so much for stopping on by. I am Meredith. I am a mid-sized and curvy content creator. I am really excited to partner up with Ulike because how many of us have ever tried traditional ways to remove our hair? I certainly have. I've tried waxing and hated every minute of it. Then I tried laser on my bikini, and the two things that I remember from that experience was that it was super expensive and very painful. And guess what? The hair is somewhat back. I've also watched my mom for years try using hair removal creams, and I can smell it, and it's painful and it's uncomfortable, and it probably causes her skin to burn. So that's why I'm excited to actually have an at-home device. Ulike are the pioneers in the beauty industry. Ulike is committed to solving the common frustrations associated with at-home removal. And they are the first brand to actually make professional ice cooling hair removal technology available for home use, which is pretty cool. So essentially they're offering customers a luxurious, pain-free, cost-effective hair removal experience in the comfort of our own home. I could not be more excited to try this at-home hair removal because I have some areas that I love to never have to shave again. And when the brand reached out, my very first question was, is this going to be safe for my body? Yes, Ulike has obtained the FDA qualification certificate, and they also have many other qualification certificates according to the different countries where they sell the product. Here in the US is the FDA, and they are approved. So anyways, I am tired of going to the salon to get laser for my bikini. I'm also tired of spending money on waxing, and I'm super over shaving every day. So the cream that my mom uses, waxing, shaving, these ways of trying to rid your hair is not permanent. So you have to sort of upkeep it, right? Like you have to shave on a weekly or daily basis. You have to get waxed every time that you want to put a bikini on, which is a pain in the butt, you guys. I mean, it's super time consuming. With that being said, there are multiple places that I have gone to try to rid my hair. The beauty salon, which again was super expensive. I think I went like 6 times or something like that. But because some of the hair is back, I'd probably need to go an extra 4 sessions. I am done spending that type of money, you guys, on stuff like that. There's nothing convenient about that. I have to make an appointment, I have to travel to the salon, so on and so forth. I can't do it in the comfort of my own home, and my time is just more precious than that. So this is going to change the game for me. Let's go ahead and unbox it. I am an absolute sucker for packaging, you guys. And I've already opened this box one time because I wanted to see what was in here. And I have to tell you that this is some of the best packaging I might have ever seen. Not necessarily the box, but the actual device packaging. It's insane. I mean, if this doesn't remind you of the Rolex box, I mean, look at this, you guys. So good. First of all, they send you a little razor, which I think is super cute. So you are supposed to shave the area before you go ahead and hit it with the laser. Then they also send you in this cute little box. I mean, are you guys kidding me with this? This is so cute. They send you goggles to protect your eyes when you are using this device. And I'm just gonna go ahead and try them on. Woo! I also love how compact everything is. You guys can just like fold the glasses up and stick them back into their protective case. And then let's move on to the actual device. I have to tell you guys that they sent me this device in the color green. However, they do have it in this white color and also one other color. So they do have it in 3 different colors. They sent me their classic green color. Super cute gold details on the sides here, and I just am obsessed. And then the rest in the box is obviously the plug-in for the device itself. And I have to just point out this detail because I also think that it is super cute. This gold detail right here which is just covering the rest of the pieces in the box. I mean, can we please talk about this little green leather piece that is keeping this cord from falling apart? This is the best, you guys. I mean, this packaging is just insane. I'm obsessed with their packaging. It is spot on, so good. Okay, so what is this thing? This is a permanent hair removal device with unique IPL hair removal technology. It also has a sapphire lamp, which is up here in the front, in order to achieve the effect of faster and stronger results and permanent hair removal in just 4 weeks. IPL stands for Intense Pulsed Light Technology. Home IPL hair removal devices apply very gentle pulses of light to the hair root. This makes the hair go into its resting phase. The hair you have then falls out and gradually your body grows less hair in that area. I'm gonna quickly run down some technological stuff. It might go over your head, but I wanted to give you guys the nitty-gritty of this device. The sapphire material, which is found in the top, has high transmittance of light that can make the IPL act stronger on the hair follicle. So that way the hair is removed thoroughly. The sapphire freezing point technology can quickly cool down your skin temperature to about 50 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 10 degrees Celsius, and avoid burning. Unlike thermolight hair removal devices, Ulike is user-friendly and comfortable to try on your skin without any pain. The sapphire patented freezing point hair removal technology doesn't cause any pain or skin damage, which is the great thing about this sapphire technology. So as you guys can see up here, the design of the sapphire has a flat head, which is more suitable for the skin, and the hair removal effect is increased by 30 to 40%. Light can appear uneven, leading to hair removal that can lead to alopecia. This device, believe it or not, has helped over 3 million users to solve their hair problems. Ulike was ranked #1 in sales in Asia Pacific for 6 years, which is insane. There are more than 200 stores in South Korea. They're also carried in Sephora and Sam's Club in the United States. This product is also the pioneer of home freezing point hair removal devices. They have 5 generations of hair removal devices. They've been updated and iterated. This is obviously the newest version that I have here. The best thing about this device is that it can be used on multiple body parts. It's not just for your legs. It's lightweight, as you guys can see, super portable, and is about the same weight as, I would say, like a cell phone. So you won't get tired during a full body hair removal session. It's compact and easy to use, and most of all, it's easy to operate. There are 2 modes and 2 buttons. That's it. There's no need to charge it. It's simple and convenient, and most importantly, affordable. You won't break the bank with such a high performing and quality machine. You get the same effect as a beauty salon, and in my case, better. But the price is significantly lower. So maybe you're wondering, like me, what the difference between IPL device and laser is. So laser is similar to IPL, where they both use light to treat a broad variety of skin flaws. Laser utilizes energy, charged light beams, to set a specific wavelength and concentrated to target a certain area. Intense pulsed light, IPL, is a treatment that makes use of light therapy. The light that IPL emits from the top reaches a wide range. It releases numerous lights simultaneously with wavelengths that range from 500 to 1200 nanometers. And most of beauty salons are using this latest technique. So essentially what all that means is that you can get a quicker and safer therapy by using an IPL machine. The Ulike IPL hair removal device helps you achieve being hair-free in 4 weeks. The smart curved attachments allow you to reach and safely treat your underarms, bikini area, and face. So IPL really can take the place of shavers and wax treatments and in-salon sessions. So you're probably wondering how to use this. So you use it every other day for 1 to 2 weeks. Then you move to twice a week for 3 to 4 weeks. And then finally you move to once or twice a month after the 4 weeks. First step is that you are going to use their little shaver, or the shaver of your choice that you have in your shower currently, and you shave the area that you want to target. Then you're going to connect the device to the adapter, and then you're going to turn it on with the on button. Then you're gonna choose the level, and it's suggested that you start with level 1. And then you're gonna wear your goggles. Just get my nifty goggles on. That helps protect your eyes. Then you're going to press this button to fire the light. This is obviously not plugged in yet, but I will show you guys. You put it on your skin like so, and you press the button, and then you just move and press, move and press, move and press. It's really as simple as that. And the best part about this is that you guys can do your entire body if you really wanted to. But if you are interested in trying out this device, they do have a 30-day no reason to return. So you guys can buy this without any worry. And then they also have lifetime technical support. The shipping is super quick and it usually delivers within 72 hours of when you place your order, which is amazing. Okay, I do want to call out one last thing, that this device unfortunately is not made for everybody, which is one of the biggest downfalls for me in terms of this device. So if you have super dark black skin, if you have super blonde hair, red hair, or gray hair, unfortunately the device just won't work because the laser is not going to be able to detect where the hair follicles are for the point of then no longer growing hair into that follicle. So anyways, you guys, that wraps up my Ulike demonstration and review. I'm so excited to have introduced this product to you guys today. If you guys have any questions at all, please do drop them in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button to get notification for every time I upload a new video. Hit that super thanks so I can continue to create all of this amazing content for you guys. And I will see you guys on the next one.